Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 30th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in Apple technology, software, and devices. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is reportedly working on a groundbreaking feature for its AirPods, potentially transforming them into health monitoring devices. A recent patent application suggests that future models, including the AirPods Pro 3 and the next Powerbeats Pro, might include sensors capable of detecting heart disease. These sensors would use microphones to analyze heart activity and apply algorithms to detect conditions like bradycardia and tachycardia. This innovation could significantly enhance the health monitoring capabilities of Apple's audio devices, syncing seamlessly with Apple Health. In a reflective piece, a former Apple employee shares their experiences on the Swift team from 2019 to 2021. While they appreciated the mentorship and team camaraderie, they faced challenges with Apple's restrictive open-source policies and pay transparency issues. A particularly distressing incident involved a confrontation over benchmarking practices. The author's efforts to promote diversity through HBCUs were met with bureaucratic resistance. Ultimately, the hybrid return-to-office policy conflicted with their desire for flexibility, leading them to leave for a more supportive environment at SourceGraph. Apple's sustainability goals are under scrutiny as the company aims to be carbon neutral by 2030, but only in developed nations. Critics argue that Apple's recycling programs exclude developing countries, despite the company's emphasis on using recycled materials. This raises questions about the inclusivity of Apple's environmental initiatives, especially in light of recent environmental disasters in Asia. The critique suggests that Apple's commitment to sustainability may be limited to certain regions, undermining its global environmental image. Apple is set to expand its smart home ecosystem with the launch of 2 new HomePod models featuring displays next year. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, these devices, codenamed J490 and J595, will include a lower-end model and a higher-end version with a robotic arm and larger display. Both will run on a new operating system called HomeOS, based on tvOS. This marks Apple's entry into the home intelligence market, integrating advanced AI features into its devices. The European Commission has introduced the AI Pact, encouraging companies to make voluntary pledges regarding AI use. This initiative complements the EU's AI Act, which is still in the early stages of implementation. Notable signatories include Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, but Apple and Meta are absent. The pact aims to promote proactive engagement and AI literacy among companies, with annual progress reports enhancing reputational standing. In a strategic shift, Apple is moving away from wide theatrical releases for its films following several box office disappointments. Future big-budget films will be limited to select theaters, primarily for awards eligibility. This aligns with broader streaming industry trends, as companies like Netflix and Amazon reassess their film strategies. Apple TV Plus has found more success with TV series, prompting this reevaluation. CrystalClear Sound is a new app enhancing audio quality for Mac users, particularly with AirPods. It addresses sound quality drops when using Shazam by switching to the Mac's internal or external microphones. The app offers a free trial and requires a subscription, ensuring optimal sound quality during use. Joyful Outlines is a drawing app for young children, combining art and education. It features themes like space and animals, encouraging creativity in a distraction-free environment. Available for free with optional in-app purchases, the app supports multiple languages and ensures privacy for young users. AI Running Trainer is an app designed to enhance running training through AI. It provides personalized feedback and training plans, integrating with HealthKit. Available for free with subscription options, the app supports multiple languages and ensures user privacy. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us tomorrow for more updates on the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.